Good morning, children. Children, we are going through the revision part of plants. Today we will talk about some unusual plant. Now, what do you mean by unusual? Meaning is extraordinary or that is not seen very often, rarely found, that is called unusual plant. But yes, nowadays these unusual plants are replanted and they can be seen. But let's see what are these unusual plants. Now we have here molds, mushroom and yeast are non-green plants. Yes, we have seen if we talk about only mushroom, then you must have seen a mushroom that is not of green color. So they are non-green plants. Same way mold, mushroom and yeast are non-green plants. They get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. They don't prepare their own food generally. The plants prepare their own food, but these plants they get their food from dead and decaying of animals, right? Like, even we talk about fungi, it also gets like that, no? From the remains of food, if we keep a bread in open for a long time, what will happen? You will see that fungi has already taken its place there. So now, some plants eat insects called insect-eating plant. Now there are some unusual plants that eat insects. They are called insect-eating plants, like Venus flytrap. It will trap the insect in its leaves and then it will eat up. Like it is insect-eating plant. Some other unusual names are like the dancing plant, or we have the insect eating plant, the pitcher plant, the bottle tree, then the shy plant, the baseball plant. If we talk about the baseball plant, it is one sort of a cactus plant. It becomes round big ball and it becomes as a baseball. So it is given baseball plant. Then we have a shy plant, that means whenever you will touch the leaves of the plant, the leaves will suddenly it will close down. After some time again it will open up. So these are some unusual plants. These are not seen everywhere and very often. Now many things are replanted, so we can find in some museum also, some plants museum also. In Darjeeling, if you go, in Sikkim, you will find some plants museum where you will find some unusual plants, like different types of cactus plants you can find in museum. This plants museum, if I am talking about, the cactus museum. So there you can find any number of different types of plants. If we talk about pitcher plant, the leaves of the plants form such a shape of a pitcher, and that is a unique thing of that plant. So these all are unusual plants. Now we will talk about some plants which were not found in India previous days. Now in many parts of our country they are grown. So let us see what are they. See, in your book we are given some plants which were not found long back in our country. They were like lychee that has come from China, then kiwi has come from New Zealand, kinau has come from California. Now kinau is a fruit that looks like an orange, but it is not orange and it is very sour fruit. So this type of fruits, these fruits have come from out of India. It were not planted in India previous days, but now you can find these plants in many parts of India. That means new plants. Many plants were not grown in India earlier, which we have discussed. They have been brought from the other countries. Now they are grown in different parts of our country. So they are they are called new plants. Now generally children, we need to eat the plants which are found locally, so that it is better to eat vegetables and fruits that are found locally, because they are very cheap, fresh and more tasty. Here we have come to an end of the topic plants, that is unusual plants and some new plants. Children, we will definitely do some other topic in our next video.